Hello everybody, if you're on here, it's because your child is either not on Google Classroom or because they just haven't gotten on it enough to know what to do, and they need to access their email to get to their memory book. So the memory book can be found in their email, and the way you can access that is to go to the Park Hill School District homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and click on this Park Hill application portal. When you click on it, your student will need to log in so they can put their S number. They don't need to put this at parkhill.k12 stuff. And then they put their regular school password. A friendly reminder that I did send this at the beginning of distance learning. If you search login in your email, it will probably pop up somewhere down the line. And if you can't find it and you've looked, just shoot me an email and I can send that your way again. So I'm going to hit sign in. Mine's all saved. And once they sign in, it should be saved for them too. So it should be easy for them to get back to. And then their portal will look different because I have all my teacher stuff. But you'll look for Outlook Web Access. You will click on this. You might need to have them sign in again. It's just the same thing, S number and normal password for school. You might need to pick a time zone for them. It's funny that it makes them pick that, but it's happened a lot. So Central Time Zone, obviously. And then open up their email and it should be there. Now I'm only going to be sending emails to those students if you ask me to. So if you get the email for Google Classroom and you're saying, I don't have Google Classroom for my student, go ahead. If you haven't emailed me and you're watching this video and you want your child to do it, shoot me an email and I will email it to them. It takes a lot of time to email it to every student, and I don't want to send it if they don't need it, or if they can get it through the Google Classroom. That's a lot easier. But if you want them to get it through the email and you haven't let me know, it won't be there yet. So make sure you email me. I can send it to your student and they will be good to go. So definitely just shoot me an email if you need it, and I will send that to your child. If you have any other questions, please let me know. There is, I made a video for them on the Google Slides presentation that I'll be sending to them, and I'll explain how to do all of this, so it should be pretty self-explanatory, but it's really fun, and I'm excited to see what they have to say about this year. It's an eventful year for sure. So again, email me with any questions. This is just for fun. This is not something I have to do. It's just if you maybe need a break and need to get some work done, this should take up quite a bit of time. So thank you for helping your child get this set up, and email me with any questions at all.